Okay, now Zoe, who's with me here again, is going to cook for us a traditional cucumber salad, and in it we're going to have cucumber that's been shredded using this little machine here, a little grater by hand, and then the carrots will be done in the same way as well, so you can see the little shreds here. And then also he's going to put in a few other very simple ingredients into this bamboo vessel, and inside the bamboo vessel will go the shredded cucumber, the shredded carrots, a little bit of the chicken powder and some of the crushed peanuts and some of that special local herb called maca. All of it goes inside the same bamboo stick, and then he gives it a good shake, just like making a cocktail, and then that's it. Very simple, no oils, no other extra ingredients, and then it's more or less ready. And then what you see at the end is you know, all the ingredients that have been mixed together, and a little bit of the juices have been released. Thank you very much, Thor, for making it for us. It's been great.